Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous videos we learned the Blender interface and the basic tools. Rotate, this is move, and also this scale, also interform. Now it's time to build a real tech object, Wi-Fi router. As you can see, this is a Wi-Fi router, but we want to render it. But by the end of this video, we will have a clone 3D model and also simple render. So let's begin. To begin to create our new project, we come here on a new and click general. As you can see, we have this is a default cube. I want to delete it. We click on a keyboard X and click delete. Now it's already deleted. Now we're going to create and also a cube. As we can click on Shift A or click here and the mesh, select a cube. It is here. We are going to make it wider and also adjust the length. So what we are going to do, we are going to select to one keyboard S and X. As you can see, it is in red. We do this. We are going to make it flat. Make it wider. The red, we want to make it wider, as you can see. And also click on X. Click here. As you select it, it has the outliner or orange color. We click also on the keyboard S and we click on Z. As you can see, we're going to make it flat. As you can see, make it flat. And we click on it to make it outliner in orange, and we click also S and we click Y. You see the green arrow is selected. We're going to adjust the length of it. As you can see, the red is to make it wider, and the blue one, on this and this, if you can see here on the blue one, you will make it flat, and the green one, as you can see, this one, you will make it to adjust the strength. So as you can see, we have a clean and also flat. As you can see here, I'm going to rotate it so that I can have a full body of our Wi-Fi router. As you can see, I have rotated on this edge that we can see here. We're going to make it round. First of all, we select this cube, and on the top here you can see in edit mode, we're going to apply scale, as you can see, and we remain in the edit mode. And as you can see, we remain selected. This here we have select mode edge, as we are going to change this edge in round, and also we are going to select here all. As you can see, the all could be selected, and we are going to come here on edge. We are going to select bevel. As you can see, if we drag in as this, you move your mouse as this, you can see it's going to change the edge of the cube. As you can see, scrolling down, you go, then you click on it, then you come here on modifiers, you come here, add the modifiers, and you click here on general. Let me start first. Come here on modifier, add the modifier, and then you click on add the modifier, general, and bevel. As you can see on bevel, we have segments. Segment, you can click on change in number 3, put it 3, and here on meter we are going to put amount of 0.5. As you can see, it changed automatically. If we put here segment maybe 7, you will see there will be a lot of segments. Let me put 10. That was a lot of 10, and let me change it to 09. As you can see, it has also changed the edge of this one, and up to here it is done on changing the layout of corners. And we'll come back to here on cursor. Step number 3, we are going to make front LED panel. We are still in edit mode, as you can see. To select face, and we come here on the mouse, and click on the face on our body of our router, and on top menu we can see we have a face here. We click on it, and then we select extruder. As you can see, we put inside. We're going straight inward, not forward. We go inward, straight a little bit, straight, as you can see, and click OK. At this time, if we come back on object mode, you can see that our object has an intruder inside. If I try to do this, it is in, as you can see, let me stay here. And then to add the antenna, make sure you are in object mode, and you come here on add and mesh, and you are going to add a cylinder. As you can see, you click on G on the keyboard and try to move it here, and then you select it, and you press S and Z. By this time we're going to increase the size, and also you select you click S plus X, so I don't want to make it thin. As you can see, I'm trying to make it thin, as you can see, thin. And also I'm going to select S and Y, so that I'm going to make it thin a little bit, as you can see. Try to make it thin as you want, and I also select S, Z, so that I can make it tall a little bit. Select it also S and X to make it as thin as it is. I'm going to select it. To select, you come here. This is the select box, and you select it. You press on G on the keyboard and try to move it a little bit further. Then you try to move it, as you can see. And also I'm going to select it on click Shift D. This time you copy. I'm going to make it 3 antennas, and also Shift D and copy another one. I'm going to make it 3 antennas. But this time I'm going to rotate this antenna so that this one will look left and this one will look right. This time I select here on rotate, and come here. I'm going to rotate using this white. You come here and do as this. You see it is rotating. And for this one, I'm going to rotate it right. And for this case, I'm going to come back here on select mode here, and I click on this one. I'm going to align it center. I'm going to press G on the keyboard and align it center, as you can see. And for this star, select and push it further. As you can see, you have 3 antennas, and this one, as you can see, you have 3 antennas, as you can see. And this time it is time to add a red light. I'm going to come here on add mesh and the cube, as you can see. Let me move it as here. I'm going to make it thin. I'm going to make it thin. Let us now change the color of our Wi-Fi loader. As you can see, we are in object mode. We're going to select this cube. Let us effect it here on a cursor. Our cube is selected. Let us also come here on modifier. As you can see, we are here on modifier, this is a material, and I can click new, and I just want to add. As you can see, let me increase a little bit. As you can see here, we have principal base DF, but we are going to select flash emission. Let me scroll up. You see emission is here. As you can see, it is here, and we're going to select the color to be in blue color. As you can see, our shape is in blue color. It may happen when you are doing this kind of change colors or other things. As you can see here, we have 4 icons, round icon. If you click here, you'll see the color is changed, and if you click here, different design. But if you click here, come back to our main color, which is in blue color. Don't be surprised when you click to change the color and it doesn't change. You come here on this top of 4 round corner, round the object, and you click on third one, it changes automatically the color. Then also come back here on antenna, select one, and come here on the new. Select all of them. To select all of them, we click Shift and you press the cursor on the object that you want to select, and then click new. And then I'm going to select here also emission. Well, this time, don't be surprised, I'm going to select here, it will be in blue color, and also it's in the blue color. Let me select this one also. Let me do one by one. It's in the blue also, and this one, new, and change the color, it will be in blue color. As you can see, we have all our main color in the router in blue color. What's next? We are going to change the color of the front face. So come here on edit mode, and you see we have this is a face. You make sure you are in this face icon, and you click one of it. You come here. First, I want to do and extrude face. As you can see, if you drag extra, it comes extra. If you drag in, it comes in, enter in. As you can see, what to do as this, and also to change the face, I want to do intruder. I want to make it triangle. Face one, triangle face, as you can see, and extrude this one. I'm going to extrude this one, as you can see, to make a soft design, and change this one, extrude to triangle face, and extrude this one, as you can see, to drag in, as you can see, and change the color of this one and this one and this one, different colors. So I want to select this one, and they come here on material. I'm going to change the color of only this face. First of all, you come here on this plus sign and add a slot. As you can see, I selected in and click new. At this case, you see I'm going to change this one to emission as before, and change the color of it in, let me do it in this color. At this time, I'm going to select to click here assign, automatically change the sign, as you can see. And for this case, to change the color of this triangle, I come here also next to add. As you can see, it is new, and I select emission here, and change the color of it in, let me select this one in, maybe this one, as you can see, then assign, automatically it change the color. And for this case, I come here, select it, and also add new surface emission, and select color. Let me select the same one as this, and then assign. As you can see, it has different colors, and you can see material 1, material number 2, material number 3. And what I want to do, we're going to insert a blink object which is blinking, like similar to a router which is on. As you can see, as you know, a router when it's on, it has some blinking icon. As you can see here, I'm still in edit mode. I'm going to change to object mode and add an object mesh, and then select a cube. As you can see, I place G on the keyboard and try to move right here. And for this case, you see it is also selected here, and then press S. I'm going to scale it in a small object, as you can see. And then I'm going to material here, and then add new, then the principal and the emission here, and then change the color. I'm going to put it in a green color. You see an object which is normal on item, it's in green color. And then I will make it blink, so that I will going to take it here, so that it will be an outer which is blinking. What we're gonna do right now is to make this cube and to make it blink. First step, we go at the bottom here, and this is a time frame, and where you see there is a small box here. We blink this cursor on number 1. As you can see, it is number 1, and we click 1 on the keyboard and press enter. As you can see, this is a first step. The second step, we go here on strength, then we press I. As you can see on the keyboard, we press I. You can see it is in a yellow color. This means that keyframe is added. And then we come back here on number 2, as you can see here, on number 20 on the cursor, and we come here and type 20, as you can see. We click elsewhere, and we come here, we hover the cursor here and place I. As you can see, it is in yellow color. When they place enter, as you can see, and then we have also 20. Now we come here also, we enter 0. Come here again, and also we place I. You can see it is in the color, and then we come here and play this. As you can see, it start blinking. You can see blinking. As you can see, that's how we make this cube blinking. The next step is to duplicate this cube. First of all, we select it and place Shift D. I'm duplicating. Shift D, duplicate. Shift D, duplicate. I will have 6. Duplicate. Duplicate. Do you see? I have 6 cube. If I place, they're going to blink at the same time, as you can see. Blinking, and I select there also all of them. I press Shift, then select 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, and I press G to move them inside this Wi-Fi router. As then I'm going to put them here and select them. So if I click here, you will see them blinking there. I'm going to align them properly. I select this one and then press G and place this one here. This one, press G, line here, and this one, press G, align here. I'm going to separate it a little bit. This one, press G, align here, and then press this one, align here, and this one, let me put it a little bit down, this one a little bit down, this one a little bit down, and this one a little bit down. As you can see, I've already aligned them properly. If I click here on play, you will see if them start blinking. As you can see, let me select all and align them here on the bottom. I am going to duplicate them. I've already selected and place Shift D. As you can see, it has already duplicated, and then align them here. As you can see, it is already aligned here, and select this one, press on one and press G. I'm going to push it a little bit further, press this one, push a little bit further, press this one and push a little bit further, and this one, press G, push a little bit further. For this one, G, and push it a little bit further, and then press G. As you can see, it look like a Wi-Fi router, which, as you can see, it shows that it's on. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I showed you from the bottom to the top how to design and around this also animate this Wi-Fi router. As you can see, it starts blinking. This is a sample of how to put it in real world of Wi-Fi router. I will come back to the next video where showing other equipment of IT network, how to put them in this Blender tutorial, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up, and see you in the next part of our Blender tutorials. Thank you very much. See you.